Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to me. My name is Marka Firdaus. So today I'm gonna explain you about my new project, which is my old project is about Bitakwa. So basically, Bitakwa is a website that giving you space for make it easier your life, like using zakat, chat also for seeing the saw schedules and blah blah and Islamic stuff. I will present my Flutter project called Bitakwa app. Yeah. So there is feature that is the zakat calculator. So today I'm gonna explain you the zakat calculator. Zakat calculator is to help the user for calculate their zakat more easily, uh, according according their wealth. So I have built like a project into the APK and I zip and full project according the submission. So as here you can see at so basically on the main dot. Basically main dot is like the path, the main path or the starter. Yeah, the starter. So this like the entry point for the app, like for the first step when you open the app, they will they will running the main dot first. So I use the Indonesian format, date format because I live on the in Indonesia and the main and the Indonesia which is on the Bogor. So I use the Indonesian date format for the main widget app. So and inside my app, I use the material app on here. You can see. Mm. This the material app I use and the title. And for the theme says I use the deep purple for the color. And for the and at here there is the root, the path that is that that provide on here. There's the doa feature, and zakat feature, and the jatuh salat feature.
Gimana yang bayar siapa?
And you can see out here there is the slash which is for the dashboard. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna move to jadwal sholat screen dot. At jadwal sholat screen dot. Jadwal sholat screen dot. Yeah, as you can see on
Sebagai
here,
wali kelas.
that is the page for the user location, the display, blah blah, and there's the import that I use package like the color contents, the material, and blah 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 blah. And there is this file for the user for showing their locations and the previous schedule for today's at the real times. So every time when you open the schedules, the schedule salat, they will change every day. So according on the recording on the geo filter and the geo coding and blah blah. And you can see at the zakat screens. So zakat screens is for this screen allow for the user for input their wealth, yeah, blah blah. That's not eh. So today at here you can see the zakat screen. I will explain about zakat screen. Zakat screen is for allow user for input their total the asset, their wealth, yeah, which is
Di
their
nggak bisa
wealth,
naik.
and they will calculate zakat 2.5%
Ih, jatuh
of
kan. Astagfirullahaladzim.
their
Astagfirullahaladzim.
their
Astagfirullahaladzim.
their wealth.
Mukanya muka Fatir aja.
And at the card result harta, this is the custom card
Fatir
used for displaying the result zakat and zakat calculation and the total wealth that they have. And now I will explain the code logic and widget explanations. At the main dot, you can see it here. There's only like um 35 lines, quite short. So at the 5 main scenes are here, you can see at here there is this for make sure the flutter is ready before running the app. That I said before that main dot is for main dot is for starter of this applications, and they will set the Indonesian language when we launch the app, when we open the app at the first time, because I set this becoming the Indonesian date format. And you can see on here that is my material, and the material that I use. There's the bit title, bit taqwa, and the theme says the theme data, and this the color scheme that I use. I use a deep purple for the applications. So this is for define the app themes and navigation routes for the path that will navigation the will will showing will help the routes at here notifications. And there's and you can see at the see
Weh.
there's the route I use. There's the slash button for the slash, which is the dashboard. Doa is for the doa screen, and this for the zakat screen, and the jatuh salat is for the jatuh salat screen. And now we're gonna go to the zakat screen. Ah, zakat screen. Zakat screen is for allow the user. At here you can see this. There's the theme. Where are themes? You can see on here. There's the here.
Mimi.
There's the text from the field on here.
Hey, hey, hey,
This
jangan ngejar.
this allow for the user. I mean, so at here you can see on here at here that is the 2.5 info value. So this for for uh, for codes for if their wealth is around like 85 million rupiah, the zakat will calculate at the 5.5% of the nisab.
Mimi.
And on the other ways, there is the warning dialog. At here, you can see there is the warning dialog on here. This is for the if the wealth is under the 85 million million rupiah, and they will like displaying the result on the here on the display. And you can see on the card there's a heart on here.
Ngembak, ngembak, ngembak. Ditakwanya.
And you can see on here there's the widget card harta. Now this is for the color of the background the widgets for the text that will we input the title at the title the text that will input. I use the green color. And this there is the cross alignment, and this there is the text total harta will show on the card menu when we open the zakat menu. And I use the pop-ins for the what call that for the text for the font. There's the text form field and the controller. We use controller here. We will and this for the keyboard type. I will so the keyboard is only working on the number type only. So if you input like alphabet, they will show on the screens. And that is the label text will showing on here. You can see it here that I said before. So now you can see there is the zakat calculation screen on here. When we first time open the app, they will showing the zakat menu at the card. When you open it here, they will show the zakat menu. As here there's the image that I put, and this the card that I use. That is the I use the green. That's it. And this the total harta text, and this the total harta that I need to input. If I put like 5 million rupiah like this and click OK. So this they will show the total money that you have to pay, and we if we input like under 85 grams, 85 million rupiah, they will show the warning text that your wealth is have doesn't reach the minimum nisab. So that's all for me for the oops for the demo that I will end. So that's all. Sorry I have mistake. I apologize for a mistake that I made. And I will close this video with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.